Alright, so we're here with Mariappa and Bobby Reid. So, rough break again. You guys didn't get to feature today. I think you guys could have made an impact, but it's the coach's decision at the end of the day, right? We have 2 more games, 6 more points available. First and foremost, do you think that those 6 points are achievable? And secondly, do you think they'll be enough to keep us in contention?
Yeah, look, end of the day, all we can do is just play our games, and then obviously it depends on what happens in other games as well. But as far as getting 6 points in next games, if we play like how we did today, then we'll be all right. I think we deserve to win the game. Obviously, you can't influence everything, you can't control referees' decisions, etc. And I thought, we paid the price for that today. But I'm proud of the boys today because I thought they put in a really good performance.
Yeah, like what Map said, some things we can't control, but we got to take the positives out of it. And the boys dug deep and they worked hard for each other first and foremost. And if we could take that into the other games minimum, then I think we'll be okay.
All right, I won't keep you guys long. Just one more question, and don't take it the wrong way, but it's an important question that a lot of us have on our mind. More likely geared at you, because I think I know Mariappa. Mariappa's been here. After this campaign, will we be seeing Bobby Reid? Because we want to see our number 10 in the Nations League and in other Caribbean competitions and in the Gold Cup going forward. Because I know you will be around for the next campaign for sure.
Let me answer that though. You see, Bobby played in the last Nations League. You see that. The boys, when they get called, they come. Obviously that's always not the case. There's other, like I said, there's things you can't control and outside restraints, etc. But when whoever gets called, it's an honour to come. And everyone does their best to make themselves available. And when fit, like I said, everyone answers the call.
Exactly what you said. I love playing for Jamaica. And that's why I came in the first place. And to achieve going to the World Cup or whatever it is, Gold Cup, we want to achieve and do things for the country. So I'm here whenever I'm needed.
All right, thank you so much. And regardless of what happens with this campaign, Bobby Reid, we want to see you again continuously. We know that you'll be around for 2026 for sure. Keep playing like how you're playing in England, bro. Continue making Jamaica proud, man. And same to you, Maps. Big ups, guys.
Yes.